What's up everyone? How's your day going? I hope it's going great, but it's about to get way better after you watch today's video. Calling on all the lazy people, it's okay to work smart, not hard. This is what we're going to help you with, because being lazy just means increasing your efficiency. We got a great list of tools to help you and your laziness thrive. In case you want to buy one of these products, make sure to check the description for all the links. We got a diverse list of useful products that'll better your life. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get right into it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can continue to enjoy our videos. 10 seconds toothbrush. People don't like brushing their teeth at night after a hectic day. It's just the last thing that's standing between you and your cozy bed. This brush is the first fully automated toothbrush that cleans all your teeth in just 10 seconds. You just have to press a single button and get perfectly clean teeth. These bristles are aligned at a 45-degree angle against the gum line and soft enough to rub instead of scratches like nylon bristles, and the pressure against your teeth is light. The slow vibrations move the bristles back and forth to remove the plaque and keep your gums undamaged. The flexible mouthpiece incorporates microchannels that transport the toothpaste to your teeth. The mouthpiece is made of antibacterial silicone that kills 99.99% of all bacteria and features 3 bristles on both sides to clean your teeth. It prevents gum damage and cleans your teeth precisely. As a regular toothbrush, you can also clean it by normal rinsing. Measuring cups and spoons. Cooking takes a ton of time, and some people want to be efficient without needing to be following a recipe and measuring ingredients on scales. These measuring cups and spoons assist you in cooking. This set consists of 13 pieces, including economic handles to measure for an entire family feast. It's really sleek and fitted within each other for easy organization and storage in your kitchen space. You can't go wrong with these. Chairless chair. Sitting all day at your desk is not a good way to stay fit, and your muscles will start to ache. We recommend to you this chair that allows you to effortlessly switch between sitting, standing, and walking positions. Putting this device requires a few seconds, and it helps you work in a healthy position. This chair is optimized for fitting, sizing, breathability, and comfort. The height of a sitting position can be adjusted according to your individual needs. Every part of this chair, such as the belt, seat, pads, leg straps, shoe connectors, and vest, is designed of textiles. It also prevents the risk of suffering from back pain in the long run if you don't have the time to stand and walk too much during the day. Pot stir. You might want to leave your pots unattended without worrying about burning your food. This pot is self-stirring, and it will gently stir stews, soups, sauces, and risottos. The arms of this pot are designed to easily fit a wide range of saucepans. Unlike other pots with single-arm stirs, this stir has 2 arms for perfect balance and mixing precision with 2 self-stirring speeds. This pot will provide you with a carefree cooking experience. You just have to leave your hands free, and this auto stir on pots, pans, and saucepans will adjust the height, width, and action. It's like magic. SwitchBot. SwitchBot Hub is an all-in-one smart IR remote control that will relax your life a bit. It has several buttons for different tasks. It has a switch button that will turn things on and off, such as lights, coffee maker, TV, or even an electric pet feeder. It can also control the air conditioner and other infrared appliances. The SwitchBot makes the curtains smart and automates any curtain rod. Moreover, you can automate more than 4,000 brands, and all your infrared appliances will be smart. It has a smart learning ability, so you just have to press on your remote and it will identify the appliances. All these buttons support Alexa, Google, and Siri from the iPhone. Neck Mobile Phone Holder. This neck mobile holder can act like another pair of hands for you, especially if you're someone who's constantly on the run. This gadget is stunning as it has an adjustable neck mount that's perfect for any occasion. You can take it with you anywhere you want to watch your phone or tablet easily. It's compatible with all smartphone sizes up to 7 inches and holds your phone in a stable position even with the case on it. It provides a 360-degree rotation option and incorporates an adjustable cell phone mount to hold the device at an optimal viewing angle. Mop slippers. These slippers are the best product on the internet. They can not only be used as shoe covers, but also as a mop head. You can have fun and clean at the same time. It also helps kids do household chores together. It can be given as a wonderful gift, especially for pet owners. The impressive part is that these slippers can be washed in the washing machine and are reusable. You should get yourself one of these for household cleaning. Talk about efficiency. Smart Light Switch. The Smart Light Switch is a popular product worldwide. You can control the lights, ceiling fans, and electrical equipment of your home from anywhere with the smart Wi-Fi switch. It installs as easily as a traditional light switch and connects to your home Wi-Fi through the Casa Smart app. This app is easy to use and lets you manage the switch with your smartphone, including setting schedules for adding convenience. It has a voice control capability that allows you to use your voice to control the smart switch when paired with Amazon Alexa. No matter where you are, you can turn on your lights, the ceiling fans, and other fixtures on and off. You can turn on your ceiling fan before you reach home on a warm day so you can come back to a more comfortable room. The self-making bed. Are you tired of making your bed every day after waking up? If yes, then this product is for you. You must have wished once in your life to have a self-making bed. We present you with the world's first easy and universal bed-making solution. It is a seamless device that places your duvet and sheets back in position every day. This technology utilizes a simple inflatable sheet placed between your duvet and duvet cover. This layer is made out of resistant and extraordinary lightweight material. The Smart Duvet inflates the sheets when you activate it, and the Smart Air Chamber places the duvet and sheets back in position with the app. You can adjust different bed making times for normal days and weekends, as most of us wake up late on the weekends. Self-stirring mug. This next product is for your coffee lovers like you. The self-stirring mug is a great accessory to have in your kitchen, and it is considered the best beverage mug for lazy people. If you are bothered by washing spoons, stirring beverages, and washing them again, then this coffee mug simply does the work for you. All you got to do is pour your coffee or any other beverage into your mug and press a button. It does everything within seconds. The power on button is located at the top of the handle from where you hold the cup, so you can easily turn the propeller on. Dog shower. This product allows you full coverage to wash dogs of every size. This dog shower is convenient to use as it can be operated with one hand, and it makes cleaning faster and easier for you and your dog. The contoured water combing spray provides maximum coverage and the power you need for shampoo removal, penetration of thick fur, and effective rinsing. The targeted narrow spray gives slow and gentle cleaning and stress-free washing of sensitive areas. You can also connect it to your garden hose with the included outdoor adapter and clean your puppy outside. The dog bathing system has a Pet Wand Pro, 8-foot flexible hose, outdoor hose adapter, suction cup hook, and indoor shower diverter. GrillBot. The GrillBot is an innovative motorized grill cleaner with 3 strong brass brushes that rotate to scrape the burnt-off residue on grill grates. All you have to do is place it on your grill, whether it's hot or cold. Press a button to close the grill lid, and it starts cleaning for you. With this product, you get rid of all the scrubbing you had to go through. GrillBot is made with the highest quality plastic. It has 3 powerful independent motors and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that powers it. The sophisticated CPU chip incorporated in this product is utilized to adjust the speed and direction of the bot's brushes, while the LCD timer and alarm allow you to set a timer after which the GrillBot turns off automatically, and an alarm sounds when the grill is clean. To clean the bots, you have to remove the 3 brushes and toss them in the dishwasher. Micro Tag Band. Skin tags are very common that often pop up in areas where skin rubs against skin. This gadget will solve your problem. We recommend that you first consult with your doctor. The Micro Tag Band works by stopping the skin tag's blood supply and curing it within days. Just put the included cone over the skin tag with the removal device pushing off the band. The attached band will tighten to the base of the skin tag, which will result in the skin tag dropping off. When the band has been attached to the skin tag, it reduces the supply, and after some days, the skin tag will start to shrink and change color. Within a few days, the skin tag will fall off, leaving only a small mark. The Micro Tag Band can be utilized on every size of skin tag. It can be used on any part of the body or the face. Which gadget do you think will make your life easier? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to enjoy all our future uploads. Till next time.